Hello, I'm Dr. Ishani Rajakarna. I'm very proud to mention that CSBM campus provides you a very successful workshop about acupressure. In here, we discuss basic principles about chi system, that means energy system, meridians, acupressure, how to perform acupressure as well. And what are the principles you should follow, you should know when you do acupressure, and how to prepare your patient, and what are the contraindications, indications, as well as acupressure points for various clinical indications, and key acupressure points as well. And in here, specially we discuss how to perform daily practice with acupressure, how to use acupressure for as your daily routine as well. And I invite you all to join with us and be a successful acupressure therapist.